So what do you do every day as a Coachtopia designer? Like, take me through a day in the life.
So our mission at Coachtopia is to fundamentally rethink the way that we design and produce beautiful product for a more circular future.
We prioritize using recycled or repurposed materials. To just give you an example, every day I'm looking at the supply of production scraps that would be sent to a landfill, but instead we're designing product that can use those scraps.
So tell me what happens when you design something that you love and then suddenly the scrap supply changes.
That happens all the time.
I can imagine.
Yeah. So at first it was really a challenge because like we don't design in this way usually in fashion.
Yeah.
But now I'm looking at this as a major opportunity to make dope limited edition product. At Coachtopia, we're in the business of designing out the idea of waste.
So speaking of the beautiful products, tell me more about these.
We're trying to think of reusing all of our scraps. When scraps are large enough for them to be made into a bag or used for some sort of cool design, that's great. But then we're also thinking about when those scraps are too small, they're still not destined to go to trash. We then move into compressing small, tiny leather scraps, and then you're able to see, just as a product, this is all of those little small scraps turned into a solid material to use as the shell of the bag. A large part of our design process in Coachtopia is thinking about the future of that product once it comes back to us. So we're designing it in a way that is easier to disassemble, easier for us to reimagine, and also to remake it for a second, even third life. So on all of our Coachtopia bags, all of our hardware has screws on them where it makes it easier to be disassembled and reused. Even on things like the iconic turn lock, there's screws behind it.
Wow.
Thanks so much, Maya.